Namaste, my dear loving students. Me, Moti Prasad Kodel from Joint School Family, Rupandehi. Today I am going to teach you social study of Standard 9. The topic is empathy and cooperation. And this topic is related in Unit 3 of Lesson 3.6. So today this is the 5th day of our class, and before going to start this lesson, first of all, what is the meaning of empathy? So the meaning of empathy is the capacity to understand or feel what another being is experienced from within the other beings. Other beings means people. Here beings means people, free of reference. It means that we, the human being, we are living together, and we have to cooperate, we have to love each and other. We have to love each and other. And cooperation is living, working, etc. by helping each other. Cooperation, we have to live together, and in every field of our life we have to cooperate with each another. So I want to say you that it is the feeling of love and care. It is the feeling of love and care to others. Clear? Have you got my point? And feeling of love and care and living together. Living together, working together. So this lesson, if you will say really, it is very good topic. It also gives us very nice message to this world, to the community, to the society, to the country. Human beings, they are the most superior creature of the world. Human beings, they are the very superior creature of the world. They are probably the most sensitive to, at the same time, human beings, they are also the social. They are also social. They cannot live safely, comfortably, and happily without society. In every society, we need some people. For example, today I am wearing this shirt. This shirt is also stitched by tailor. In our society also we need a tailor. So in this way, what happened? All human society is very complex. All human society is very complex. Modern society is getting more and more complex. Villages and towns are getting more crowded. Population is increasing day by day. Population of every part of the world has become quite mixed and diverse. This means people from the different background, different culture, different skill, they are living in a single place. Modern lifestyle enriched by the advanced facility. Modern lifestyle, it also makes some of the advanced, they also make some advanced facility and service. They are forgetting or ignoring others' problem. Like in the crowded city, what we can see, most of the people, they are only self-mind people. They don't care about the other people. It is not good for the society. Many people are also not hesitate to embrace intense method of earning and satisfying their needs. It means that in this whole world, it is one family, and this in one family we have to care, we have to love, we have to help each other. Now, the world is the host of 7 billion people. The world it hosts 7 billion people. Those society are different from place to place, and even members of a single society or even community, they are also the different qualities. Everyone wants to lead all the people of our country, they want to live a prosperous and happy life. Everybody they want to live a very happy and prosperous life. Even their basic feeling, idea, behavior are similar as they are single species. So, what is the importance? What is the importance of empathy and cooperation? Why this is needed in the society? Why this is needed in the society? Human quality of sympathy, love, and affection and cooperation, these are the divine for their beautiful effect. So, Nepal is a small world in itself. Our country, if you say our country is a small world in itself, but our country is a peace-loving country. It has diverse topographical and cultural features. The population is multi-ethnic. In our country, we can see the different types of people, different type of caste of people. They are living together without any clash, without any chaos in the society. This is also one of the very good thing for our country. This is also importance of the empathy and cooperation. Some groups and community of the people, they are quite backward and poor in our country. Despite rich tradition and skill they possess, most women in Nepal are also not enjoying equal opportunity. Either they have got some of the problem in the society, or they have got some of the superstitious belief. Illiteracy, unemployment, and poverty, these are also some of the factors. These are also some of the factors, or these are also some of the responsibility which hamper to the empathy and cooperation in our country. Because we all the people of Nepal, those who are living together, we don't have equal opportunity in the every nook and corner of the country. Due to this also what happens sometimes the cooperation, empathy, it hampers in the society. This is also essential for keeping our national unity. So this empathy and cooperation is also essential for keeping our national unity and territorial integrity intact. So this empathy and cooperation, this is one of the good factor which makes national unity, which makes our country development, which makes our territorial integrity. In the absence of these two, in the absence of empathy and cooperation in our country, suffering it grows, relationship it will degrade, conflict multiply, more conflict will be there, leading to a large destruction. People are forced to live in fear. Most of the people, if they are living, they have to live in the fear. If there is no empathy and cooperation in the society, insecurity and stress will be there. However, our society, it will be chaos, and it will also obstruct the development war. Human society has witnessed many destructive international and national conflict like civil war, such as the two great wars, international, that is First and Second World War, People's War in our country, Maoist war. It also hampered the empathy and cooperation in our country. We have to learn lessons from them. We have to learn lessons from them that we should not fight with our people, our family, because we are all living in the same place. We have to deal with the similar factor, and we have to help present similar event in future. And this can be the best be done by sharing empathy and cooperation both at national and international level. So at last I want to say that this empathy and cooperation, this is the very essential part of our country. It will also build up society. It will also grow our country. It will also make a very good relationship among the people of our country, and it will also make the country in the path of development. So the concept of these two, it is very essential. We have to see this one. We have to follow. We have to help each other. We have to make cooperation without any clashes, or we can say without any our demand. We have to make empathy and cooperation among the people. And just I want to say we can make it better by sharing with the people. So modern lifestyle of our country, it makes the people selfish, self-centered and indifferent. So at last, what I want to say, the theme of this lecture is that we, the people of our country, those who are living in our society, in our country, in our village, we have to help them, we have to love them without any cause, without any differences. Though we all are social beings, we have to love, we have to care to all the people. Okay, thank you. Namaste.